So this is just a quick overview of the content management system for your website. This is the login screen. I'll send you the link to that. Enter your username and password. Remember to click on I'm a human and then log in. Once logged in, you're in an area called the dashboard, and this is where you access the various areas of the website. Posts is basically your blog posts, and that's where you would go to add a post. This is the one and only post that we have at the moment. Data cleaning is a must. There's the title, and then this is the main area that you might wish to edit. And if we move down, media is where you manage and add your images or downloadable files like PDFs. Forms is where you create a form, for example, a contact form. And pages is probably the area that you would want to use the most, and that's where you may wish to edit one of your pages. So if we have a look at this page, for example, I'll just show you how we would edit that. So you can see the content here. Click on the little pencil icon, the edit icon, and then it's a familiar interface. You can just go and edit any text here. So for example, if we just change the date there from 1993 to 94, and then click on Save Changes, and then important, click on the Update button. That will update the page, and then we can go to view the page. Now we see in the front end it says founded in 1994, which is incorrect. So let's go and edit the page. Click on the pencil icon, change back to 1993, click on Save Changes. You'll notice there's quite a few little icons here which allow you to update various parts of your page. Just to say, I wouldn't really apply any text colors unless you feel it's absolutely necessary, because it can lead to a sort of design degradation, and it's just something I would avoid if you can. Say we wanted to add a link to another website. So I'm just going to say I want to create a link to the BBC. Highlight that, and then you can insert or edit a link. So the BBC is a very straightforward URL. And we paste the URL into this little box. Click on Apply, Save Changes, Update, and then let's have a look at the link we've created. So we go to View Page, and there it is, link to the BBC. Click on that, and that works. Should you want to create a link to another page on the website, you do that in a very similar way. Click on Insert or Edit Link, and in this case you may want to say link to the boardroom page, and then let's just highlight all of that. There we are. Apply, Save Changes, and now that's an internal link. Update, view the page, and there's the link to the boardroom, and that'll take you to the boardroom page. I'll just show you one more thing. I'm sure you'll be able to find your way around all this. You're obviously familiar with this kind of software. If you'd like to add an image, you'd go to Add Media. And then this is the media library, this tab here. These are previously uploaded images, or you can upload files from your computer. So let's say we want to add this chap here. There's a couple of parameters you might want to change, and then insert into page. Once you're happy with that, save changes, update, and as usual, view the page, check it all looks okay, and go back to edit page, and let's remove the picture. Save changes, update. Now going down this is where, if you ever allow comments on your posts, which I wouldn't particularly recommend, but if you did want to do that, that's where you would find comments. Appearance, I've left this part of the content management system in place just in case you wanted to edit your navigation. If you ever do want to do that, maybe you'll want to come back to me to explain how that's done, as it's a little bit involved and this is just a general introduction. Right. I think that's probably sufficient to get you started, and if there's anything else you need to know, just give me a call and I'll be happy to help.